So there are those that think they know me, but let's just clear a few things up so the accusations can cease. You call me a bigot because I think marriage is between a man and a woman. You can argue separation of church and state, but would you be so kind to explain why one nation under God is what it reads? Now, God's choice to free will is an aspect I stand with firm, but don't call it marriage because that's a religious term. And I'm uncompassionate because I don't think healthcare is a right, and welfare is to get you back on your feet, not make you complacent on your knees. And no, terrorists don't deserve the same rights as me because there are privileges to being a citizen of this country. And people willing to blow up planes over the sea should not even know what the word Miranda means. And I don't think my president should pose for magazines or contribute to late night comedy. And he should lose the script and talk genuinely because the words he says I desperately want to believe. And yes, my sex and skin color may dictate my start in the race, but it will never influence my pace. So don't be surprised when I pass you up, because persistence runs like blood in my veins. And this glass ceiling I hear whispers about will be shattered, and you must not know me well if you have any doubts. And I resent my generation for the music that we play. And yeah, Marley did say it was supposed to move your heart or move your feet, but I doubt he meant at the cost of your self-esteem. And don't forget that I'm racist because I expect more from my culture, and no child should ever be left behind. And you can talk and dress as you like, but don't forget that first impressions can't ever be redone. Oh, and I'm unsympathetic to those that choose to get high, but honestly, I really don't care until your bad choices affect my life. And don't get me wrong, I think America should always defend her rights. But to say I want war is to say I want my best friend to fight. Then there's the fact that I bitch and complain too much, that no matter what I do, I'm never satisfied. Well, congratulations, because you're finally right. Because the moment you become satisfied is the day you begin to die.